Hopefully y'all can hear me. Good morning, good morning. Alright, so today I wanted to make a video on how I passed my account in less than 2 days. Okay. So as you guys know, I did post that video on that 200 tick move. Okay. And yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, I passed my funded account or my eval account with a $1,300 move. Okay. So in less than 2 days, which is insane. Y'all probably like, 2 days? Yeah, okay. I'm serious. Okay, so we're going to get into that. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did and how it came about. So if you see my charts, everything is marked out. Okay, let me just make sure here. What's today? Today is Wednesday. Yeah, this was yesterday. Okay, all right, cool. So I did live stream. I didn't take any moves within the live stream because nothing was popping up, and I stayed a little bit longer and it ended up popping up. I should have just stayed in the live stream as long as I could. Sheesh. But to get to the point, okay, as you can see, my charts are marked out. Okay, yeah, it's so good. All right, as you can see, my charts are marked out. I did enter over here. Okay, so here's what happened. So I did mark out the previous day AM session buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, and the New York PM session buy side and sell side liquidity. As you can see, we came down to take out the sell side New York PM session liquidity to then come back up. I thought we were going to keep going down to take out the AM session to then reject and take out the AM session buy side and New York PM session buy side liquidity. That's not what happened though. As you can see, we were in this consolidation. You'll be able to see consolidation better on the 15-minute. Okay, within this consolidation. And what's interesting is that consolidation, right? As you guys, I don't know if you guys know or not, but you never trade within a consolidation. Okay, never. You always wait for the consolidation to break. So the consolidation broke, and I'm not a breakout trader. I'll tell you that. Okay, consolidation broke, rejected off of this order block right here on the 5-minute. Okay, here's the order block. Okay, rejected off of that order block, came up. Now what happened when it came out of this consolidation? As you can see, it went down, took out the New York PM session, right? Because look, we have relatively equal lows here, right? It wants to take that out. It needs to take that out. That's what it was aiming for. And then we have a smooth edge right here. Look at that. All relatively equal highs. Okay, so it broke out of the consolidation, and notice how it came back down to retest that zone or that area at the top of the consolidation. The wicks do the damage, okay, and then rejects off of it. Notice that. Never trade within the consolidation. Okay. So I ended up catching this move. Okay. That's how I got my $1,300. I ended up catching this move. I got in here and I got out up here because this was my target, but I let a runner go. That's how I made my $1,300, to keep it simple. Okay, because when it comes to trading, there's no need to overcomplicate anything. Stick to what you know. Okay, don't start strategy hopping because you ain't gonna learn anything. The only thing you're gonna learn is how to strategy hop better, how to find a new strategy faster. You know what I'm saying? On a serious note, for real, don't strategy jump. And just stick to your gut, man. If you know that your setup is coming up, buy it, sell it, whatever, do it. You see what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with being wrong at the end of the day. That's why you have a stop. When you have that stop loss is what stops you from losing too much money. You should be managing your risk. Your risk is very important. You should be journal. So whenever you make that mistake, you can go back and see, oh, you know what? This looks familiar. Let me go back to my journal. I think I made this mistake before. Boom. How simple is that? It's literally simple. But on a good note, I did pass my my evaluation in less than 2 days. It was awesome. It was easy. I didn't have no struggle with it. I see a lot of people struggling with the trailing drawdown. That's really not a problem. You're always going to be in drawdown whenever you first get into the trade, and then after you leave the trade is when you stop being in drawdown, depending if you take your profits or not. If you don't take your profits and it comes back on you, that's on you, baby. It is what it is. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make a video on that. It's very simple, guys. I do the same thing every single day. If you've been following along, you know by now. He's on to something. And all this I learned from somebody else. Okay? I learned from somebody else. This is all ICT. Okay? It's just that simple. And I'm not going to sit here when I'm, watching all those trade. I'm not going to sit here and say that they're wrong for the way they trade. In my opinion, trading's subjective. Yes, there's a right and wrong, but I'm not going to sit here and tell somebody that they're wrong just to argue with them for them to tell me that I don't know what I'm saying. It is what it is. It's all love. If you guys want to support the channel, make sure to use my code for Apex, which is in the description, and also right here. Right, that yellow little box right there, it has my code. My link is in the description if you want to support this channel. Okay, I do get some commission off of it, but I do have the best discount code. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, use my code if you want to get apextraderfunding account. If you don't know what apextraderfunding is, simply just a prop firm that gives you funds to trade with. You go through an evaluation, you pass your evaluation. There's different size accounts: 25K, 50K, 75K, etc. Once you pass your evaluation, you pay a fee to activate it. Then you go into your performance account. The same rules apply. You got to get a certain amount so you can request a payout then. Very, very simple. You guys should definitely try it if you don't want to use your own funds. And yeah, that's how I made my $1,300. I will be making a video on exactly how I journal and what's going on with that, so you guys can see that I keep track of all my stuff. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.